Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alecia and I am back with another video. Now if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Make sure that you turn on your post notifications so you will not miss an upload. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I apply my press-on nails and what I do to make them last me from 3 weeks to a month. Alright, now if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, let's begin by prepping our nails. First thing I will be doing is I will be using a damp paper towel just to moisten my cuticles a bit. Now, this is just water, nothing fancy. However, if you have a cuticle softener, you can use that as well. All right, so this is a cuticle pusher that I will be using today. At one end, you have the pusher. At the other end, you have a scraping tool. All right, so you place the pusher at the tip of your nail and you push upwards towards your cuticle. Now, you want to be very gentle when you are doing this. The last thing you want to do is to jab yourself in your cuticle or to cut yourself and cause any bleeding. All right, pushing back the cuticles is very important as it removes dead skin and residue from your nail, and it also helps the press-on nails to last longer on your natural nails. All right, so now we'll be using the scraper end of the tool to gently go around the cuticle and the sides of your nail to remove all of that dead skin and residue, all right, that you just pushed off your nail. All right, so you have to be careful when you are doing this as well because you do not want to cut yourself and cause any harm to your nails. All right, so after you have done this, the next step is to remove any hang nails or if your cuticle is ripped or torn, then you use this to remove it. Now, the last thing that you want to do is to leave any torn cuticle because it will tear further up and cause bleeding. All right, so after you have done that, I will be removing the shine from my nail using a nail file, just a regular one that I picked up from the beauty supply store. And I am doing this very gently. I am not rubbing down my nails because you do not want to damage your nail bed. All right, the aim is just to remove the shine from your natural nail and to help the press on to stick better to your natural nail. All right, so you take your time and you do this. You do not rub too hard. All right, you do not want to damage your nail bed, as I said before. So after we do this, the next step is to remove any dust, and I'm just using a regular manicure brush to do that. Now I will be applying a dehydrator. Now, a dehydrator is something that you do not want to miss. You do not want to skip this step. All right, the dehydrator will remove all the moisture from your natural nail. All right, and the last thing you want to do is to put on your press-ons while you have moisture in your nail bed because they will not last very long. No, you apply this to your nail and not to your skin. All right. So very important step. You do not want to skip this. And I believe I got this dehydrator from Amazon and the brand is Mia Secret. All right. So after I have done that, the next step now is to figure out which nail I'm going to be using. Now today I will be using this Kiss nail. It is from their Gel Fantasy line and it is in the long length. Just a regular nude color nail. Correct fit. All right.
Alright, so now I'm going to
All
go
right. So you have
about
to measure
finding
to
the
get the
correct
perfect.
size for each of my nail. Now when you are doing this, you want to choose a nail that sits on your nail bed. You do not want to choose a nail that is too big that will be sitting on your cuticle or on the skin at the side of your nails. All right, so you want to choose the correct size so it will look better, it will look more natural. You also do not want to select a size that is too small where all of your nail is exposed at the side. All right, so you want to choose the correct size. If you find a nail that
the top part is too big, what you can do, you can also file it down to match your natural nail. Now, all right, so the glue that I will be using today is the Kiss Brush On Glue. It is much thicker and easier to manage than the dropper bottle glue. All right, so you put it in the well of the nails. You can also put some on your natural nail as well. You place the nail at the tip of your nail and then you gently lower it onto your natural nail and push it upwards towards your cuticle. All right, if you get any spillage, then you use a paper towel to wipe off the excess glue. Do not let it dry on your skin. All right, now I will slow down the video so you can see how I do it in real time. All right, so you take the glue and you put the glue in the well of the nail. Make sure that you put some on the sides as well. You do not want to use too much glue to cause too much spillage onto your skin. All right, you just have to eyeball it. I guess I cannot tell you the exact amount to use. All right, so after you apply the glue to the press on, then you put some on your natural nails. Not too much, just enough. All right, so after you do that, then you take the press on nails and you put it at the tip of your natural nail. All right, the tip, and then you gently lower it onto your natural nail. Then you push it upwards towards your cuticle. All right. You do not push it underneath your cuticle, but right where your cuticle is. Then you use a damp paper towel to wipe off the excess. All right. The reason why you push it from the bottom up is to remove any air bubbles from underneath the nail. All right. So then you hold it down to ensure that it is glued onto your nail. What I normally do is I hold the top and also the sides. As you go along, if you get any spillage, then you use a paper towel to wipe it away before it dries on your skin. All right. All right, so this is the way the nails look. I love them so much. I love the shape of it. Now I'm gonna take the nail file and just file down the tip of it just to remove the tab at the end. All right, I'm not gonna go down too much to change the shape, just remove the tab. All right, so after I do this, then I will move on to doing my other hand. All right, but I'm just admiring these nails. All right, they look so good. So I'm gonna do my other hand. Okay, so these are the end results, and I am loving my nails. Trust me, they look so good. I love the color of it. I love the shape of it. And these are the sculptured nails, so they are very thick at the end.
Alright, so guys, that's the end of my mini tutorial. Hopefully I helped somebody with something today. Alright, and just be reminded that I will be linking the nails and the dehydrator in the description bar below. Alright, so I want to thank you guys for tuning in and for sticking with me to the end of the video. Alright, so if you have gotten this far into the video and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss any upload from me. All right, and remember, you are free to leave a comment and you are free to share the video. Also, if you like the content, go ahead and click the like button. All right, so I want to thank you guys for tuning in once more, and until next time, bye.